Alright, we need to convert these to, I don't know what it says, 4 decimal places. Class, yes or no, is the cosine button in your calculator?
Yes.
Let's put it in. Class, degrees or radians? How did you know that? It has a degree sign. Degree sign in my calculator. I can type in cosine 87.3. Partner B, tell partner A, what is your answer to 4 decimal places? Ready, set, go. Yes, Ruben.
Huh?
Your answer to 4 decimal places.
04710.
0, 4,
71.
71. Raise your hand if you got that. Awesome. All right. Here we go. Cosecant of 34.5. Put your finger on the cosecant button. Please feel free to look for all of eternity long because, class, did you find one? No. There is no cosecant on our calculator. There is a reciprocal identity. Pay attention. I see the word cosecant. I'm going to write cosecant and my favorite Greek letter, theta. I need a reciprocal identity that says cosecant of theta equals. Partner A, tell partner B, which reciprocal identity is that? Look at your formula sheet. Look at your formula sheet. Cameron?
Cosecant of theta equals 1 sine theta.
There it is. That is the correct reciprocal identity. Now, because we wrote this same different, cosecant and then theta, theta is 34.5 degrees. So everywhere I see theta, I can write 34.5 degrees. Let's write that. So now I have cosecant of 34.5 degrees equals 1 over sine of 34.5 degrees. Now we can type that into our calculator. Now for some reason, if you don't have a math type calculator, which allows you to type in a lot of stuff, you might need to type in sine of 34.5, get a decimal, and then the second part would be 1 divided by those 4 decimals. But this nice calculator can do all of it. Remember, we talked about using extra sets of parentheses, so let's practice using that. Sine of 34.5. And we also talked about closing your parentheses. I have 2 open parentheses, so I'm going to use 2 closed parentheses. Type it in there. And to 4 decimal places. Class, tell me the answer. 5, right? So that is our answer. Let's try this one here. Cotangent of theta. Partner A, tell partner B the reciprocal identity. Brian V. Okay, the student who does not do what I just did, if they don't write cotangent theta here, I've seen students get confused, so they write 1 over cotangent. They think they're finding the tangent. So this helps me realize I need to get cotangent theta equals. So now we can just do our substitution. Theta is equals 65.1. I'm getting a calculator ready equation. You're always going to show me your work. Let's type that in. Tangent button is right there. So 1 divided by tangent 65.1. And if we round that to the nearest thousandth, Rochelle, what's our answer?
0.4642.
Good. So 3 examples using your calculator in degrees. This one you just use the basic trig function, and then here we had to use the reciprocal identities.